Welcome to part 3. There's a bit of background noise here because what we've got here is we've got the air blower blowing air into this little hole down here, and you can see now that it's getting absolutely red hot in there. If we go slightly further across, then you'll see that we've got the box with a hole in the top, and where the hole is where we're going to pour the molten copper. Now with the molten copper, we should be able to see now. We can just get this, just going to get this off. So now we can see in there, we can see that the copper is nearly melted. We're just going to give it another couple of minutes and we're away. So the next time that you tune in, which will be for part 4, then we should be pouring the copper into the mould. See you in a bit.